Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you another super simple DIY project. This is a finished look. If you're interested, please keep watching. For this DIY project, I used a board with a size of 26 inches from previous project. I decided to use the glitter silver self-adhesive paper to give the board a new look. The glitter feature actually can hide any imperfection of the board in comparison with mirror type of paper. Since this paper is self-adhesive, it is pretty easy to apply it onto the board. I used the pencil to trace out the interior and exterior of the board and cut them off using scissors. It's very easy to do. This is how the board looks after I applied the glitter silver paper. It looks beautiful already to me. Then I decided to add some gold icicle ornament as attachment for the mirror. I got those ornaments from Home Depot at a very good price because they are on after Christmas clearance sale. I bought both gold and silver color, and for today's project we only use gold. For silver, we're gonna save for the future project. The next step is to decide how you want to lay out those ornaments onto the board. I decided to do the half circle way because I think it is very unique. You can also consider either halfway, 3/4, or the entire circle pattern. The next step is to glue those ornaments onto the board. I used glue gun for this step. It works pretty well. I also used the pores from Dollar Tree to cover the little hole on the one side of the ornament. Now let's check out the final product. This mirror turns out very beautiful to me. I like the very unique design and also it is very easy to make. If you are new to my channel and also like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help a lot to grow my channel. This is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.